Kaptein Ola here. In. Okay, what are we going to do now?
Well, we have gotten this far south and we're past the shallow areas that might have given us trouble. Now, here we are, ready to lay over 20 degrees because we're past the shallow areas behind here. So, to be safe, we have gone far enough south, but now I'll hit the buttons and we'll get 20 degrees. So, that's 20. Now let's see what happens with the boat. Here she goes.
Oh yeah. And now what will happen with the waves?
I reckon they are more comfortable, less hard banging, and especially for residents in the front, they will be able to sleep. Eller er det der? Nei, det blir med, ja. Det blir med.
Lukk. Ja.
Litt til, Elinor. Der. Det er bra, det. Vi prøver det her først. Oi, sånn.
We are sailing. That was the radio. Okay, Kaptein Ola out.